Hello everyone, iCool Tech here. Now on this fine iPhone launch day, we're going to be unboxing the macOS Sierra Blue, it's just Sierra Blue, iPhone 13 Pro Max. With enough said, let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so kicking this off, we're just going to take a look at the box very quickly. So first of all, on the front you can see the back of the iPhone showing off the color you purchased. Now of course this is a little bit different from last year where we just had the front. And on either side we do have color matching iPhone text, as well as the top and the bottom we have a color matched Apple logo. Now if we take a look at the back, of course it shows what the box includes and what phone you bought. Also, the plastic has been replaced with pull tabs on both the top and the bottom. So this year I've opted for the 13 Pro Max as opposed to the standard 13 Pro, so it will be a step up for me coming from my 12 Pro. I also, of course, as you can see here, received the Sierra Blue model, and I only opted for 128 gigs since I really don't need any more, so if you do want to question that, there's your answer. Alright, so now it is time to unleash this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we're going to go ahead and start with these pull tabs here. I'm just going to get those out of the way. Alright, and now we can reveal the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max, and oh my god, this is beautiful. Let's set the box down and pull out the iPhone. Take a look at the Sierra Blue. It's a lot more muted in person, but it looks absolutely incredible, and I know coming from my graphite 12 Pro, this was not a mistake. Wow, just take a look at this. These sides here, and we have the top, and of course, absolutely stunning. All right, let's just set the phone aside really quickly because I do just want to mention what is currently in the box. So in the pamphlet here, the packet, sorry, we have our Apple sticker, our single Apple sticker, just some information about iPhone, and then of course our SIM ejection tool, so nothing really to worry about there. And of course in the bottom we do have our USB-C to Lightning cable. All right, so now that we've gone over that, I'm just going to put the box over here, and we're going to take a look at the iPhone. So every time I look at this color, it just looks incredible. All right, so now is the time to slowly peel this white piece of paper off of the display. Now I will warn you that it does not have the same pleasant sounds that the clear plastic did, but it is tradition at this point. So let's go ahead and do that now. And voila. There you have it. That is the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. Now let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a full review of this iPhone from me, and if you received one of these iPhones today, which configuration did you go for? Now if you didn't, feel free to let me know in the comments if you plan on or don't plan on picking one up in the future. Alright everyone, that is all I have for this video. Now if you have any questions or you'd just like to say hi, make sure to leave a comment down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty different than what I normally do. Now of course, make sure to follow me on Twitter using the link in the description. I do also have an Instagram that is just at iCool Tech. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.